Well, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you paint, splatter, nails, art, step by step guide. A simple and easy to do nail art design with a funky splattered paint effect. Let's move to step number 1. I am teaching you step by step guide. Easily you can adopt and you can arrange your nail art design step by step. Number 1 step is start by painting your nails with a white nail polish. Number 2 step, protect your work surface by laying a piece of paper underneath your nails. Then mix a yellow nail polish with a nail polish thinner or water if you are using acrylic paint, and dip your nails art brush into the mixture. Tap the brush on the table and close to your nails so that the paint spatters onto the nail. Step number 3, for bigger spots, dab the color on with the brush. Step number 4, repeat these steps with pink and blue nail polishes. Step number 5, using Q-tip and A-stone, remove any nail polish that landed on your skin. Step number 6, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe and share with your friends. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.